-7, we are going to write the expression in radical form. Please notice that x to the exponent, let's say 1 over 2 is the same thing here as if I put the bar, then the fraction here is the divide, and this is a 2 here, right? And the 1 here stays right here. Here, let me color code it a little bit better. So that 1 is on top, that 1 is on top, okay? So it is the fraction that becomes the radical, right? So it is the bottom of the fraction becomes the radical, all right? Think about that. So this one can be simplified into the square root of x. Normally we write the 2 here, but we don't because it's defaulted to the square root. So next, take a look. Here, the bottom of the fraction is a 3. So the radical is going to be a 3. What is left over? X to the 4, okay? The top value. Next, we have 2 to the 5 over 3. Notice, it's the same idea, but what we should try to do here is simplify the the fraction first, right? So, for example, 5 over 3 can be simplified into, I think, 1 over 2/3, right? So you can simplify it like that if you want, right? But if you just want to convert it, it will just become 2 and the radical 3, which is the fraction, and there is a 5 right here. All right, so there you go. That is how you convert the exponential form into the radical form.